Tim Nordwin from the band OK Go. I'm at the Webby Awards. We just received an achievement award for our music video. Ira Glass made a really nice presentation. When we
Tim, you gotta come. You gotta come.
What?
Dance in this crazy staring contest.
What?
Come.
Okay. This is weird. Ira just said that Dan, our drummer, is in a staring contest of some sort.
Wait.
This is weird. So weird. You're 37 minutes, okay? You guys got money on this?
I'll put money.
I get money.
I got it. I know.
Thanks.
Don't focus on the mouth. It's classic strategy.
Hey, Dan, you know what you need to do? Focus on the mouth.
Don't listen to him.
Yeah, just look at his mouth, man. It's freaking. That's it, Animal. You got it, man. You can beat this drummer.
Focus.
Beat the drummer.
Focus. Focus and precision, just like training. Breathe, dude.
Breathe faster, Animal.
Beat another world, man. Beat another world.
Keep, no, dude, keep it strong.
You almost got it, Animal.
Dan, stay with me. Stay with me, man. Yeah, don't. Happy place.
Come on, man.
Go to your angry place, Animal.
No.
Your angry place.
Good game, man.
Yeah.
Good game.
Good game.
I'll be your roadie. I'll be your roadie.
For the year, right?
For the year.
Yeah, roadie for the year.
Yeah. Don't get drums.
What?
Don't get drums.
All right, man. Go get up.
Yeah, I'll do it.
No.
All right,
so
okay.
fast.
All right, cool.
So weird.
All right, who's next?
Easy.